Welcome to the Smith's house. If you're new here, welcome. The rules to this channel are simple. Be kind and be respectful and no spoilers. Don't follow and get kicked out. If you come to enjoy this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. It would really help out this channel and it would let me know what videos to continue with. Now let's enter. Welcome back. Today we'll be reacting to EXO live for the very first time. We'll be doing White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. So I'm very excited to see them live for the first time. So let's go. Oh, he's starting with some serenation here. Oh no, this is gonna kill me. Okay, now you seducing me. Stop it. That one has face. Eh? Little butterfly movement. Oh. To the key. Okay. Oh, that isolation into a Ranjan. Okay. Oh, goddamn, they're sounding good live. He looks so happy to be there. Oh, that was cool. Oh, well, isolation movements here with some fluidity. Right here. Don't look at the camera that way. Hey, I'm listening too. Don't. You're serrating me here, guys. I can tell. Schumacher nipwa. Oh, rain on them. Please. Oh, he gave us that one eyebrow thing. I cannot do that. My eyebrows go together. Okay. They're putting on one hell of a performance. You captured me. You're gonna make me dizzy going around and around, man. Woo! Nice. Oh my god, they sound so good. Woo! Yeah. Ooh, they're killing with these dance moves. They sound so good together with all the mixture of the different textured vocals. Oh, it's a pleasure to the ears. They're all like, ooh. They draw me with their just little hands. Ooh. Oh, don't smile at me like that. Okay. He's like, oh yeah, finished. Nailed it. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, and you can see those veins right there. Oh. Don't you dare. Ooh, that was cool. Oh, I'm right there feeling it. Woo-hoo! God damn! Oh, he's got like a little goth look. I don't know if that's the eyeliner on him plus the bleached blonde hair, but he's got a look for sure. How have none of them tripped? I don't know. It's gotta be wet on there. He's having a ball. He's just always smiling. So is he. Kind of gives a little off like Jimin vibes. Just a little. Oh. He knows he's hot. Oh yeah, he does. Oh, okay. We're in the storm with them. Got it. Should've did this yesterday. It was storming. Alright, what's the storyline now? Artificial love. Oh no, it's Playboy. Playboy's next. If it goes according to the title order. Alright. You Playboys. He's like, come on. Right? Ah, what cuties. What kind of game was that? Were they trying to rock, paper, scissors? I've never seen scissors done like that before. It's always this. This is scissors. What's that scissors? Okay. Aww. Yeah, give it. I'm sorry. One more time. Hey, my little dirty little mind. Are you gonna keep that to myself? Boom, boom, boom. Here we are. Oh, they're doing so good. Oh. Okay, how did he go from cutie to sexy demon? How? One more time. Cutie, sexy demon. Woo! I like that move. One more time. What the fuck? Leg work? Ah, that's nasty. Oh, woo! Oh, you're trying to steal Jimin's role of the iconic body rolls? Okay. Gotcha. Ah. He's like, yeah, bring it on. Oh, okay, back to the storyline. It's gotten serious. Lightning has struck. Oh. Gorgeous voice. How do you do that live after dancing that much? And I am now well aware that they did not transition into the next song, just so y'all know. Okay? I've only heard each of these songs once, okay? I'm literally going from one song to the next, so bear with me. Ooh. Oh, he's killing me. Who is this? Please tell me who this is. This blonde boy who knows he's hot can go from cute to sexy. Please, I need to know. And him. He's also one I need to know. Oh, why? Oh my god. What is he doing? Like, I know what he is doing, but please. Please preserve me. I don't wish to seem like a pervert. Oh, he is feeling. Oh. So is my blonde guy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, God. Good. How does he do that with his face? Oh, nice. Oh. Favorite dance move. Okay. Oh, the stage setup is wicked. It's so cool. Woo. Guy in the red's killing it too, man. You solve that thunder. Pikachu, go! Woo. Oh, shivers. These guys are giving me the shivers. Oh, probably with him. Who are you again? And I forgot how good you sound. Ooh. Woo! Yeah, breathe heavily. You deserve it. Him again. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, please tell me who he is. I like him. Oh. What was that? Oh. I'm gonna enjoy this. Kenchana, if I said that correctly. Oh. That is so cool, but also, ooh. One more time. Hey. Yeah, I like that little team up dance pairings. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh, that was so cool. I love a good hair dance work. If you know what I mean. I love it. I love it. I just like it. You know, you like what you like. And it must be awful staying in those very wet clothes. Just plain awful. Ooh. Oh, we're back to it. Oh, and the way it looked. Oh! No wonder they're shipping. I can see the ships have sailed, man. Oh, yeah, back and forth and a little booty shake. Sounds like they're like getting down and groovy with it. Woo-hoo-hoo! God, why they sound so good live, I do not know. Even while they're dancing like that. Ooh. Yes. Agreed. Woo-hoo. I've got my eyes on you. The both of you. Woo. What was that? Oh, I like that. He's got a decent face too. Stop looking at me like that, blonde guy. Seriously. Oh. Go off. I hear you. How do you get that high? Jesus. I pull it together. Oh. Yes. Yes, this is how exactly how I pictured it. Not really, but good. Yeah. Oh my god, he seems to be having just a blast, just having so much fun. I can't. I'll get yours. Here's one for you. Ah. Oh, here we go. Now it's Playboy. Yes. Or is it artificial love? No, it's Playboy. Yes. Oh, they brought canes out. Props. I've danced with a cane before. It's hard. Mm. Oh, yeah. Can I be the cane? Sorry. Oh, my. Oh, look at them hip thrust. Oh, this is not for the innocent. Yeah, working canes. Ooh, he sounds so damn good. Oh, touch it. Good job. Oh, his voice is so deep and wonderful, and there's so much texture to it. I love it. Oh. Stop. Don't do that. They're working them canes well. But I will. Oh, nice! Why there's canes in this performance? I don't know. Am I happy about it? Yes. And the canes are so much shorter than them. They're some tall people, man. Oh! He kicked it like... If I did that, all I would do is stub my toe. It would not look like that. That's for sure. Ooh. Stop leading my eyes in directions they should not go. Oh. Really, EXO? Really? Innocent brain no more. And he did a stare down. Oh, he did that so casually. I am shocked that no one's dropped not one cane or hit themselves with it. I have done that, and I've smacked my fellow dancers with it as well. Sorry. Woo! All right, artificial love. All right. They look like they're about to duel with them. Hey! Ooh! Shocked that worked. That they were able to connect. That deserves a replay. Connected, alright. Oh my. They're like, we're done with that. Oh, yes. Oh, there's so many of them that they can really spread out and be like for a different part of the audience. It's so cool how they choreographed it like that. Yeah. Oh, yes. Can I please be the cane? Oh, they really are maneuvering it so well. Impeccable. Mwah. Hey. I think that's my favorite move, the little shoulder. so impressed by that little foot swivel thing they do with the cane. Again, I would have smacked someone. Oh. Again, not for my eyes, but yes, please for my eyes. Can I peek? Continue. Who is ever right there? You lucky damn motherfuckers. Now we're done with the cane. We're just throwing it. Oh, go for it. I'm listening, I'm hearing, I'm watching. I'm feeling. Oh yeah. Oh, they're so good with these isolations into fluidity. Oh. Bow. How you just did that? With that run? Damn, he was still going. He's like, yeah, I just did that. Give me more. I still love that. This has got to be a big song of theirs. It has to be. Yeah, show me your swabbiness. Yeah. Cameraman, we did not need a close-up of that, but thank you. Oh, what was that little feet work? Noticed? That was smooth. Oh, what's this little treat? Little nugget here. Holy shit. Blindfolds? Okay. Now what are you going to give us? Oh my god, this is so impressive. I love the instrumentals they're doing it on. They're so in sync, that's crazy. Like down to the little isolation details. Woo! Oh, so deliriously good. Oh, yes. How? And they're even on top of like a platform. I'd be scared for my fucking life. Oh. They're dancing so good. Oh. Yes. The feet work, impeccable. Oh. And there are all these little hand movements that gives like some like, it's like tutting, but with a little more fluidity, if you know what I mean. I keep saying that. Fluidity and isolations. It's just the words for this video, I guess. Are these two the main dancers? Or what? Because, mwah, it was delicious. Alright, they're coming off. Oh my god. He is gorgeous. Oh. He already knows that I don't need to compliment him anymore. Not him, the blonde one. They have such different images. He's a hot, sexy one that knows it, and he's the one who knows he's sort of good looking, but like it doesn't come off as show offy. Like he's more stoic and he's more flirtatious. Yeah? Ooh. And that's how they end it. Thanks. Oh, I wish I could continue. It was so good. I'll definitely check out more live performances from them. But first, I have to get more into their discography because these are literally the only songs I know by them and a couple of like the members' single stuff.
So I can't wait to hear more. That's all I have to say. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Please remember to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons if you enjoyed my videos. It will really help the channel out. See you all next time. The door is closed.